Welcome to the English class, 7th class students. At first, see the town mouse visited the countryside and did not like the country atmosphere, and immediately only in one day it left for the country, left for the town. Whereas now the country mouse, second time the country mouse happened to visit the town. The country mouse happened to visit the town. Let us see the country mouse experience in the town. Let's have a look at the experience of the country mouse in the town. Yes? See, a few days later the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Till then it was not habituated to listen to the any type of noise and no experience of having lights. So why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? The country mouse asked. It was surprised him. This is a town. The cousin replied. See, here there are lights even in the middle of the day. So this is town. In the town it is like that only. So it is not the country. So, yet what is the dreadful noise that never stops? The country mouse asked out of curiosity. That is dreadful noise. See, the lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse, they are sharing their experiences. At first, the town mouse visited the countryside. The next, the country mouse visited the town. The country mouse visited the town. See, but the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my head ache. He said, could I have some water to drink? Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what is there for you? Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice, many types of drinks are available here in the town. Oh, cousin. Okay. Oh, cousin. My dear cousin. It is not countryside, it is town. Many types of varieties of drinks are available here for you to quench your thirst. Quench your thirst. Just some water, answered the country mouse. I don't want anything. Just provide some water. Some water and a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. I have plenty of food. You can eat as much as you like, as much your stomach needs. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. Delicious, tasty food. Delicious. Tasty food. Right? So, the town mouse is ready, is willing to offer varieties of food to his cousin who has arrived from the countryside. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruit, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruit, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So it read out all the items of the list. It read out the list of items. So varieties of food. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. So, eat, cousin, eat. All these varieties of food you eat. But just then there was a sound like a thunder and the town mouse shouted. But just like there was like a thunder, sound like thunder. Did you see lightning? Thunder followed by lightning. Thunder. Okay, heavy, a sound like thunder and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run, run. Then it, provoked her. Run, cousin, run fast. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. The country mouse felt his heart was beating very fast. What was it? He asked. What was it? What was that noise? What is it? He asked. Whispered the town mouse. Wait. Shh. Whispered the town mouse. You wait for some time. See, the town mouse the country mouse was very much afraid of. The unbearable noise, sound like thunder followed by lightning. When everything was silent again, after a few minutes there was silence. The town was crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again, cheerful, happy and pleasant. This is cheerful. Happy and pleasant. Happy and pleasant. When everything was silent again, the town was crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard. We are safe now. So it's not a big matter. Come out of cousin now. This was only somebody opening the cupboard. Somebody was opening the cupboard, that's all. There is nothing to be panic. We are safe now. We are safe and secure now. So the town mouse gave a reply to the country mouse. But they were not safe for long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard and when somebody closed the cupboard door. So they were not safe very long. Twice or more. So often somebody comes and opens the door and closes the cupboard. And afterwards, after a few minutes, somebody comes back again and opens the cupboard, and after getting work done again, closes the cupboard door. So we may not get much food here. See, the country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country. I no longer want to stay in the town. So I want to go back to my countryside. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. We may not get much food there, varieties of there, but at least we can eat in peace, in peaceful atmosphere. So the next day what happened? The country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on in his cupboard in the town. So the country mouse went back home in the countryside, whereas the town mouse continued to stay in the cupboard in the town. Went to stay on in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. So after facing better experience, they stopped visiting each other. Then onward, they never tried to visit each other. But they continued writing letters. Each other, but they never tried to visit afterwards again. So this is the experience of both the town mouse and the country mouse in different areas. The country mouse better experience in the town, whereas the town mouse better experience in the countryside. So let us conclude our lesson, students, and tomorrow we take up grammar items so far as textual exercises and grammar items are concerned. Okay, see you tomorrow.